Hey guys, what's up? It's 11th of August 2020, and we're having a four trades now. Out of four, three are making a bit of losses, and the one in green. So let's get started. Let's see if there's anything that got stopped out over the couple of days. So the holding cost, stop loss modified, close trade, made profit. So over the past few days there isn't, but we have some holding cost of small holding costs. Okay, good. So let's go. So basically, Aussie trend is up, red line down. This is up, so it's over the next few days. Don't see that turning up, so it's cross car. So we won't trade that. Moving on. Cotton has given back a lot of the profits. Trend is up, red is down, blue is flat, and over the next couple of days, it will take off these lower numbers. Uh, but it should turn strongly up. I think it's a good sign that if you continue staying this area, it will actually start line will actually turn down more. So I'm not that worried, to be honest. So if it doesn't get as low as this, that's fine. So I'll still go ahead with these trades, and especially it did almost touch the stop loss here, but we didn't get stopped out, even though this straight down day bar. So we're gonna hold on to the trade. Over the next couple of days, it will actually red line should start turning up, so that's fine, and I think we would take a trade. Even more actually, I think it's better pricing around this area as well. Euro yen, we shorted, trend up, red down, blue flat. So we shorted based on a bearish divergence, and it went a little bit higher and then before it comes down. So I'm skeptical on this trade. I think it's about time we get out of this trade for euro yen. So depending on the trades, we should start to take out and move away from here. Let me see. So just to confirm, euro yen we shorted based on yeah. So we take a bit of losses, but that is fine. That being said, we should actually look to buy actually. So is there any opportunity? Not at this point in time. So we just proceed to close our trade for euro yen, and it is fine to make a little bit of losses. Whether if we could buy, I think not yet at least. So we wait for the trend to turn up a little bit. So that's for euro yen. For euro dollar, trend is up, red is down, blue is down, so it's in a cross current mode, and don't see it turning it back up soon. We actually might, did we miss you know did we miss bearish divergence? Yes, we did. So but that's fine. Yeah, but other than that, no trade for euro dollar. Pound yen trend is getting a bit flat, with the next couple of days being flatter because you take off the highest numbers. So trend is flat, red is flat, and blue is a little bit up. And as it takes off these lower numbers, this will be slightly on a higher side if prices stay the same at this area. So pound yen seems to be on a situation where if it doesn't start going up, but we have a good area that over the next 5 days it will actually start to turn up. So pretty good trade actually. So we'll still hold on to the trade for now. But you can see that with price, we bought here, but price been around this area, but then the blue line has been showing divergence. So we could see that it will come down a bit more before it starts to shoot up. So that being said, yeah, we hold on to this trade, which is fine. Pound yen, I don't think we're making much losses for this at the moment, which is, yeah, we're just on the right on where we first started. So we hold on to that pound yen for now. Yeah, this is a good trade. If you guys have not, you could actually look to buy. Pound dollar, we did not enter. So what's with my charts? What's going on? Pound dollar. Okay, kind of weird. Okay, but never mind. Let's just bring a bigger chart. Can we do? It's funny how it's not showing me a full picture for pound. But okay, but anyway, we can still look at the charts like this. Trend is up, blue is down, red is down, so it's in a cross current mode. And okay, we exit this page. Oh no! Let me just come back in quickly. And 6, 5. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, pound. So we continue at pound. So trend up. This is red is down, blue is down, and don't see it coming off anytime soon. So we will not make a trade over here. Yeah, it's a bit. You take off higher numbers, so trend of the red line and the blue line is a bit too low for now. So we'll wait for a better entry spot for gold up for pound. Gold has come off from the top and finally retraced on a very sharp, and it actually went all the way to the high of 2069 before it came down. So, and over the next couple of days, it will be a pretty strong down and a sustained down, I believe. So let's just see what happens from here, from a very curious observer point of view, without taking any trades. Heating oil trend is up, red is flat, blue is up with a little bit of a bullish divergence, I believe. No, there isn't. So in a cross current trend, it will take off this. Okay, so this trend, and then this up, this is down, and then it's making a higher low. So red is blue is up. So over the next 1 week, it will actually take off this lower numbers, and no opportunity. So we will skip for heating. Live cattle is trend is up, and then red is down, blue is up. So with this, as it takes off the lower numbers, red is likely to start turning up. So we could actually look to buy, and pretty nice pricing area to buy. So we could look to buy. This is an opportunity to buy actually. So if we were to buy, let's see how much margin is required. Da, da, da. Is it not moving? Why is it not moving? Limit, stop loss. So we will place a buy with an anticipation that it will actually be rate turning up. So with that, we could actually look to buy. Stop loss wise, we would want to put our first stop loss. This is the first. This is probably the second. If we put somewhere in between, it will probably be the high of this, or even a close. I think this would be a high. So we'll put this at 125.254. Buy 100.254. Place buy limit order, and there we go, done. So we bought here, it's a limit order, and then with a stop loss at the high of this, so with an anticipation that it will actually turn up. Well, for the next couple of days when you take off these numbers, red line will start to turn flat and in fact turn up. So this is what we will do for live cattle. Lastly, for the loonies, trend down, red is up, blue is down, and over the next couple of days, it will actually take off the lower numbers. So trend red line will start to turn up more. And let's see. And with price over here, over the next couple of days, it will take off these higher numbers. So the trend will be actually be strongly higher, down and sorry down. So we are still sitting in this trade, but I believe what we had done is we had looked on from a weekly perspective to put on this trade, because of what was it because of? Yes, it was because of a bullish divergence forming. So if you have noticed this area versus this, it actually make a lower low, and then as well as it will start to come off over the next 1 month, to actually be in a very low area. So we are poised to actually be moving upwards, as well as over the this period, trend has been upwards because it's taking off these numbers over here with pricing it around here. So it's more of an uptrend over this cover period, from a weekly perspective. So it's 50 weeks, so it's a 1 year perspective ago. So we'll still hold on to the trade, but if it gets stopped out, then let it be, because probably because I in a way I also overanalyzed, and I think I looked at the wrong time frame of charts to make a trade for this. So yeah, but monthly perspective, this is starting to take off the higher numbers here. So a bit concerning where the trend line for a monthly perspective is getting flatter. So we'll have to just observe, and since we're already in the trade. So yeah, this is my positions, and that's all for now. Yeah, see you guys.